Anyone who says that he or she doesn't want luxury in life is either lying or a hermit. In today's day and age, there's nothing wrong with wanting a bit of luxury in life. Be it clothes, houses, vacations, or even mobility. A touch of luxury never hurt anyone. But since this is a show that's all about cars and bikes, today we'll explore the up-and-coming luxury car rental trend in India. For those who didn't know, you can rent a proper luxury or a high-end car as easily as you call for an Uber or Ola taxi. Surprised? We were too, until we decided to experience it for ourselves.
It is common knowledge that most car buyers in India have regular affordable cars in their garages or at homes. But what if somebody like us wanted to get a taste of high-end luxurious cars? It's not very difficult. You might think it's very difficult, but it's not actually. And we'll tell you why. It's simple. Just rent a luxurious car, like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class that I'm sitting in. And the affordable rates that are present there, you can really think of hiring a luxurious car and taking it out with your family and have a good time.
Similar to the likes of Ola and Uber, India has quite a few luxury car rental services as well. Some of the prominent ones are Hype Technologies, LuxuryLimo.in, KTC India, and so on. Most of these companies offer their services through either their website or some like Hype Technologies have their own app as well, which could be used to book the luxury cars. Just to give you an idea of the fares, if you were to hire a Mercedes-Benz S-Class for the entire day, it'll cost you around 10,500 rupees, which is not an exorbitant amount. We have Raghav Belavadi with us, who is the founder of Hype, to get an insight about how a luxury car rental company operates.
So a few years ago, I had an opportunity to meet Travis, who is the founder of Uber. And then I thought that the same way of luxury cars are going to be available for renting in India. But when he came back to India, I figured out that it's actually not high-end luxury cars, it's like regular cars. So then I thought it's a good idea to tap into the super luxury cars the same way that we do as a car aggregator. So we have reputed agents. Altogether, we have more than 2,500 cars available. So we have some of the best cars like Rolls-Royce Ghost. We also have the original Chrysler limousines in Chandigarh. And we also have one of the best of the Mercedes Maybach in Bangalore. And we also do self-driving. In that range, we have a Ford Mustang available for self-drive in Bangalore. Given the context that we have recently launched, we are experiencing somewhere around 70 to 80 bookings.
The fleet size of these companies varies, of course. But while you would expect the likes of Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar and so on, some companies also offer Rolls-Royce, Bentley and limousines on rent. In case you want to make your experience very memorable, a few luxury car rental companies also offer well-maintained vintage cars. The idea of luxury car rentals is to give a taste of the high life to the regular middle-class people. If there's a wedding in the family or marriage anniversary, or if you simply wanted to make your date memorable with your loved one, hire a luxury car and see the magic happen.